Today, we're going to be cooking some keto. We're going to be cooking some Keto Macs. I know, Keto Big Macs. Who knew? We're going to see if they're actually good. Found it off the internet. Yeah, so we got all the recipe right here. Boom. We got onion powder, paprika, we got garlic powder, got kosher salt. Fancy. Pepper. We got an onion. I'm going to add this tomato. I don't think you need these two. Some Kobe beef. Whatever this is. What, cabbage, whatever. And these are all for the Big Mac sauce. But first, let's get more comfortable. Boom, baby. All right, that's a little better. Okay, let's get this sauce made. Sauce. Jeez, half cup of mayo. Jeez, man. Insane. I see. Too much. Half cup mayo. Alright. Gonna clean my shaft. There we go. Nice. Mustard. 2 tablespoons. So that wasn't even close. I put in 1. Here's another one. 1 tablespoon. Two teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Teaspoon. One tablespoon of pickled relish. Let's go ahead and crack this Mad Tasty open. Cusco, what are you doing? All right, now, let's get on to the... Getting on the solids. Powders. We are going to do half a teaspoon of garlic powder. These. Okay, cool. Okay. Cusco, man, you were right in between my legs, dog. Hey, man, can you, like... Hey. Come on, dog. Dog. No, not my shoes. That is taken care of. We're just going to set that over here. Now, paprika. How much do we got? 1/4. It's going to be the small guy right here. Get that. So it's leveled off. It's like a barista skills, you know? That tamp. Or whatever it's called. Oh, bam. Oh, shit. Saved it. Alrighty. Next. Onion powder. Half teaspoon. Hey, what's up, man? Just cooking. Oh, man. Sorry, dude. We're trying. Hey, just like shove them. Yeah. Wow. Cusco, get down. All right, garlic powder's out of the way. Oh, sorry. No. That was onion powder. Okay, cool. No big deal. Just cooking. All right. Next, we're gonna get that kosher salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Let's get that going. Look at that fancy. Yeah. Looks like crystal meth, little cocaine. Ooh, look how crazy that is. That's my new roommate. He just moved in. That's so funny, man. Yeah, I live with some crazy roommates, but I mean, I don't know if I top them off, man. Okay, next, guys. We got the paprika, we got the onion powder, we got the garlic. Now we're gonna whisk this all together. This is our Big Mac sauce. Doesn't really smell like Big Mac sauce. But does it taste like it? Maybe. Holy crap! That tastes like Big Mac sauce. Yes! That is awesome, man. I've been looking for this stuff in the store for who knows how long. This is how you make it. This tastes like Big Mac sauce. Man. Thank you. All right, guys. Boom, bam. Got the Big Mac sauce out of the way. We're going to pour it in our little bowl right here. Oh my gosh. Dude. So good. All right, get that pound of ground beef, man. Right here, we got that Kobe beef. Oh, yummy. Pepper. Ooh, that's a little coarse. Want it to be a little finer. I feel like I'm in the fire department again. Okay, that's quite a bit of pepper. Okay, then we're gonna add some salt. Awesome. Gonna mix that all in there. Yeah. Oh. You know, I'll tell you what. My camera broke on my phone. Like, month ago, something like that, and it's been so nice because I haven't been recording everything I do, you know, like I'm just like not at the gym saying, "Hey, what's up?" You know, it's just like it's just been nice, man. It's just been really nice, and it worked for like a week. No, it worked for a day, and then it stopped working again. So I was like, "All right, that's cool, man." They're trying to get me to buy a new phone. It's AT&T. Samsung. It's not just iPhone doing it. A little bit of oil. Yummy. Put that bad boy right there. Gonna get some butter. Dog, back off. Put our meat over here. I'm gonna go ahead and chop these onions. I like onions. This recipe did not call for onions, but I like onions, so I'm gonna cut some anyways. I'm gonna get a nice little thin patty. Kind of like that. Look at that. Yummy. My pan sucks, so this is gonna be a bitch to flip. No dog. I'm gonna do two. Like SpongeBob flipping Krabby Patties in this bitch. Alrighty. While that's cooking, let's get some of this cabbage cut. Look at that. Come out of there. It's not a bun. If you read the keto buns though, man, they ain't healthy. good enough. Let me cut some of these edges off. Looks a little more patty-like. You can be against it all you want, but you know when you go to P.F. Chang's, you like them freaking lettuce wrap things, man. You know what I'm talking about. You can't be ashamed of this, because you know you like those P.F. Chang things. Now remember, you can't be white with the spice. Can't fit those stereotypes. You gotta add some of that good in there. Alright, I'm gonna add some lettuce to my Big Mac. This lettuce looks bad. Damn. Alright, slap some Big Mac sauce on here. Man, I can't go without the lettuce, man. Dog! Out! Get Get! Oh! Can't get on that. There is a chicken in here. Looks good to me. Ah! Alright. I like ketchup on my Big Macs. The ketchup. A little more Big Mac sauce on the top. I'm going to take some off because that's kind of excessive. Slice this right down the middle. Not as pretty as a burger, but it's all right. It's all right. All right, now the taste. Now the taste. Looks, you know. Yeah. That's pretty good. I can sell that. It's not bad. I don't know how many carbs. I don't know. I'm guessing like under 6. I don't know. But yeah, Keto Max tastes good. I'd recommend them. And you can do this whole recipe and just have buns. And you got Big Macs. You know what I'm saying? So, boom, bam. Keto Max. No, dog. No, I don't care if you sit or not. Ain't getting any. All right. That's Keto Max. Whew. Freaking messy boy, man. Oh, man, yeah. Just messy. Ooh. Cusco don't like kombucha. You don't like kombucha? You don't like kombucha? Bitch. I thought you liked kombucha. Guess he doesn't like it. Oh, yeah? A little too much for YouTube? I don't think so.